Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and very good morning to all of you. I hope you are safe and sound. Welcome to Millie's Telegram classes. This is the grammar lesson for intermediate level part 2. In this lesson today, we're going to talk about indefinite pronoun. They are pronouns which talk about an indefinite person or thing. In simple words, we use an indefinite pronoun to talk about an unspecific person or thing. For example, he called someone. So who is someone? It's not clear. That's why we call it an indefinite pronoun. She bought something. She bought what? It's not clear. It's unspecific. No one came. Who came? No one. And it's not specific whom I'm talking about. They are formed by adding some, any, no, and every. Four prefixes. Some, no, any, and every to one or body for a person or thing for a thing. So we can say someone or somebody. Somebody is informal. For thing you can say something. Remember, someone or somebody and something are used in affirmative sentences. Anyone or anybody, you can also say for a person, anything. Now they are used in negative and interrogative sentences. No one or nobody and nothing. They are used in positive sentences with negative meaning. You should use them in a positive sentence, but that sentence will give a negative meaning because of them. Everyone or everybody, and for thing we can say everything. And they can be used in all sorts of sentences. So let's have some examples. He bought something. It's a positive sentence with a positive meaning. I met someone. Positive sentence with a positive meaning. He didn't buy anything. It's a negative sentence and it of course has a negative meaning. Did I meet anyone? It's an interrogative sentence. It asks a question. He bought nothing. Now, it's a positive sentence, but the meaning is negative. It means he didn't buy anything. Some people make the mistake by saying he didn't buy nothing. That's wrong. It's known as double negation, and it's not used in standard English. I met no one. It means I didn't meet anyone. I met everyone, and I didn't meet everyone. This is a positive sentence, and this is a negative sentence. You can also say, did I meet everyone? To ask a question. Now let's do an oral exercise. So fill in the blanks with anyone, anything, someone, something, everyone, everything, no one, and nothing. Let's do the first one. Can't you hear that? Someone is knocking on the door. Good luck with the rest of them. Okay, now let's talk about the answers. Number 2, I was wondering if you would like something to drink. 3, the family members have been badly injured in the accident. Is there anyone to help them? 4, unfortunately, this plant is already dead and there is nothing we can do about it. And the last one, someone must do something about the human rights in that country or it will be too late. This concludes our session for today. Remember, this was just a short version of our today's lesson. The same lesson is taught in complete details in our regular classes. Thank you very much.